Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to translate in Google Sheet application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do now is just go open the Google Sheet, and after that just open the documents. And here I already prepared to you guys the example that I would like to use as a tutorial today. So here I already have a words in English, but then I would like to translate these English words into several languages such as Indonesian, Korea, and Spain. So it was so easy. So the Google Sheet also provide you with the function of Google Translate that can translate from one language into another languages. And the way to do that, it's so simple. You just need to click the cells or the result that you want to get it later. So here I would like to do Indonesia first, and the things that we have to do now is just go into this part, click this pencils. Now don't forget to add an equals to start the function, and after that just type Google Translate here, and after that you just need to follow all of the instruction. And the first you need to choose the text that we want to translate first, which is I would like to do with the banana, and after that just add the symbols, and now add this and search languages you have here. Since it is from English, just type E and N, and then another symbols, and I will let to do it to Indonesia, so I and D, that belongs to Indonesia, and after that just click done. Now the words is already translated into Indonesia, and let's do with the rest. You don't need to do it manually since there is also another function which is autofill, so we just need to click it and drag until it's fulfilling the C10, and after that just click the cells and go click autofill. Good. Now all of the words is already translated into Indonesia. And what about Korea? I would like to show you in Korea. You just need to type the same. Don't forget to add equals first, and then type a Google Translate and choose the words, and after that just need to add the symbols and this. The source of words is in English, so that you need to add en, and after that add the symbols again, and for the result we use Korea, so it will be K and O, and after you're done just need to click done. Do an autofill, drag all of the cells and click autofills, and that's it. So that's the way how to do Google Translate in a Google Sheet. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.